Pi Network is gaining significant attention in Africa due to its historical economic impact. Following support from Chinese merchants and industries, Pi Network has garnered backing from BSM, a prominent company from India, the world's second largest country. Pi Network isn't just a global phenomenon in the crypto world, but also holds substantial potential in Africa's digital economy. Its presence brings new hope to communities facing modern economic challenges across the continent. Support from Chinese merchants and industries has been pivotal in driving Pi Network's growth in global and Asian markets. Their contributions bolster its technological foundation and expand its network coverage worldwide. You are welcome to Crypto World Educate. If you are coming across this channel for the first time, kindly do us a favor by hitting the subscribe and like buttons. This enables us to reach out to other pioneers across the world. Let's continue. BSM, a leading Indian company, has expressed its support for Pi Network through the Pi Pay initiative. This move underscores India's commitment to advancing the crypto ecosystem and supporting technological innovations that can reshape the global economic landscape. Pi Network isn't merely a crypto platform, it represents how technology can strengthen global economic integration. Support from China and India highlights the importance of cross-country collaboration in delivering inclusive and sustainable digital economic solutions. The move towards an open mainnet by Pi Network signifies more than just a technical shift. It marks a significant evolution in their vision to create a decentralized and inclusive digital financial platform. With the open mainnet, Pi Network opens doors to greater innovation and adoption by the community, both in everyday use and in the global digital economy. One concern arising as Pi Network enters exchanges and offers easier purchase options is the potential decline in the relevance of P2P transactions. However, the reality is quite the opposite. While users can now purchase Pi more conveniently on exchanges, P2P transactions retain significant strategic value. P2P transactions allow users to acquire Pi through offerings of goods and services, expanding the reach of the Pi Network ecosystem and empowering small to medium-sized enterprises to contribute to network growth. With the adoption of the open mainnet, Pi Network enhances the ease and speed of transactions through their Pi wallet or applications. Real-time market prices on exchanges enable instant payments at values reflective of current market conditions. This provides users with greater flexibility when using their Pi for transactions across various platforms and purposes. One intriguing feature of the open mainnet is the ability to hold Pi as a stablecoin, akin to USDC or USDTC. This opens up more choices for users in managing their wealth in stable and reliable crypto forms, reducing the risk of value fluctuations often seen in traditional crypto markets and promoting business diversity and global collaboration. With the open mainnet, they provide a significant boost for businesses to start integrating Pi as a payment option, invigorating local economies and enhancing consumer interactions. The participation of nearly 4.5 million pioneers in the Pi2Day Progress to Open Network Challenge has made the event a resounding success. The PiCore team is thrilled to see the incredible engagement from their community, which further strengthens the journey towards the open network. This article delves into the details of the challenge and how it has fortified the Pi Network community. The Pi2Day Progress to Open Network Challenge was designed to encourage pioneers to actively participate in various activities that advance the Pi Network. With nearly 4.5 million pioneers taking part, the event not only showcased the community's enthusiasm, but also their commitment to realizing Pi Network's vision. During the challenge, pioneers were invited to engage in a range of tasks and activities aimed at enhancing their understanding of the Pi Network and strengthening connections within the community. These activities covered various aspects, including education on cryptocurrency, participation in community discussions, and contributions to the development of the Pi Network ecosystem. The remarkable involvement of nearly 4.5 million pioneers highlights the strength of the Pi Network community. The PiCore team deeply appreciates the dedication and enthusiasm shown by the pioneers throughout the challenge. This success is measured not just by the number of participants, but also by the quality of engagement that has had a positive impact on the entire community. The PiCore team believes that events like this will continue to strengthen the Pi Network community and prepare for the steps toward the open network. Active participation from pioneers is key to achieving this goal, and the Pi2Day Challenge has proven that the community is ready to face greater challenges ahead. In light of the success of the Pi2Day Challenge, the PiCore team is excited to host more similar events in the future. The primary aim of these events is to reinforce the Pi Network community and ensure that every pioneer feels involved and contributes to the journey towards the open network. With high spirits and strong support from the community, Pi Network is on the right track to achieve its goals. The PiCore team hopes that through these collaborative efforts, they can create a stronger, more connected network ready to embrace a future full of opportunities. Don't miss out on valuable insights and actionable tips that can potentially shape your financial future. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell, and join our vibrant community of crypto enthusiasts. Together, let's unravel the mysteries of cryptocurrencies and uncover the untapped potential that lies within.